Now that we have learned how to film, it is time to move to the next important process of the video production and discuss about which are the main techniques that we must take into account in audio-video editing. Video editing is the process of manipulation and rearranging video shots to create a new work. Video editing can be a complex process, but there are several basics that are important for beginners to understand. These include software. You will need a video editing software to edit your footage. There are many options available, ranging from free software like iMovie or DaVinci Resolve to professional software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. I attached tutorials about the basics of editing in 2 of these softwares. Choose the one that suits you, your needs and budget, and watch it. Now let us talk about the main aspects that you must take into consideration when editing a video. Importing and organizing footage. Before you can begin editing, you will need to import your video footage into your editing software and organize it in a way that makes it easy to find the clips you want to use. Storytelling. Video editing is about telling a story. So it's important to have a clear idea of what story you want to tell and how you want to tell it. This will guide your editing decisions and help you create a cohesive and engaging final product. Cutting. Cutting involves removing unwanted footage and creating a sequence of shots that tell a story. It's important to keep the pacing and timing in mind as you make cuts and to make sure each shot flows smoothly into the next. Non-linear editing. Unlike traditional linear editing, in which you edit footage in a linear, chronological order, non-linear editing allows you to jump around your footage and make changes in any order. Transitions. They are used to move between shots and include dissolves, cuts, fades, and other effects. They help to create a sense of continuity and flow between different elements of the video. It is important to use transitions sparingly and only when they serve a purpose in telling the story. Sound editing. Audio is just as important as video in video editing. Make sure to use good quality audio, adjust levels and add effects as necessary to enhance the audio experience. Color grading. Color grading involves adjusting the colors and tones of the footage to create a desired look or mood. It's important to keep the colors consistent throughout the video and to avoid overusing filters and effects. Effects. Special effects can be added to the video footage to create a desired look or style, such as adding filters, overlays, or other visual effects. Timing. The timing and pacing of the video can have a significant impact on the overall impact and message of the video. Careful attention should be paid on the length and pacing of each shot, as well as the overall timing of the video as a whole. And exporting the final product. Once you have completed your edits, you will need to export your video in a format that can be played on different devices. By using these and other editing techniques, you can create a professional video that effectively communicates your intended message to the audience.